Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, a Nighthawk Black FN2 on the ramp. Pretty clean one, to be fair, and today it's having some parts fitted. We've started with this TypeR true 3-inch exhaust system. It gets all the way up to here, and we've got a TypeR true 3-inch sports cat mated to a TypeR manifold. So that's the exhaust system of this car completed, and there's more mods to have. Hello, Martin. There's more mods to have. We're going for an RRC inlet manifold and a CPL Big Bore induction kit before we get it on the dyno and start shooting. So, here we go. Well, she's up on the dyno and warming up. The RRC has been fitted, the CPL Big Bore has been fitted. As you saw earlier, the TypeR Manifold Sports Cat True 3-inch exhaust fitted. Currently on a stock map, so we're going to just do a little run now and see where we start, or what our starting point is. Obviously, you guys know what the brake horsepower of a stock FN2 is, so fingers crossed. We'll get tuning after that. Here we go. Nighthawk Black FN2. These guys have found us on YouTube. Really nice couple. Been speaking to them a lot over the last day or so, because this car turned up yesterday for the mechanical work to be done by Richard. Richard, Richard fitted a TypeR manifold, a TypeR True 3-inch sports cat, a TypeR True 3-inch exhaust system with 2 resonators, an RRC ported inlet manifold, and a CPL Big Bore induction kit, which is a round of mods that we suggest.
Yeah, definitely. It's a good group of mods. Made exactly the sort of power we expected it to make.
So stock car, 200 brake.
Yeah, heading towards that 230. I think we did finish on 230 today. So yeah, going right towards that 230. So a real good amount of power, 30 brake horsepower from an NA tune and some mods. So I think that's as good as that's ever going to get. Did run a sports cat in this car, so it's a little bit of a dip off in the mid-range, but we know that's a byproduct of having the sports cats. There's not a lot you can do about that. They wanted to remain legal, didn't want hassles, obviously, when it comes to MOT time and stuff, so that's fine. Yeah, all went really well. Piecing it all together went well yesterday, and obviously mapping's gone well today. I'm pretty sure they'll be over the moon with that, to be fair.
Yeah, it took them 3 hours to get here. It'll take them 2.5 hours to get back.
Yeah, maybe. Well, you've got to do that game of can we beat the sat nav, haven't you?
Absolutely. Do you know Bono from U2? He's just had a failed business.
Was he really?
Yeah, he was going to do sat navs, But when they released it, the streets had no names.
No, very funny.
That's a great sat nav joke. Right, let's look
Dad
at the
joke,
graph.
that.
Here's a
Dad
dad
joke.
joke. I love dad jokes. Right, let's look at the graph. Well, say it with me, guys. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. A whopping amount of power in the mid-range here. Obviously extending the rev range to 8.6, lowering VTEC somewhat, and we got ourselves a result that is going to feel and drive incredible. We finish on 230, 195 at the wheels. And there she is, another one in the bag. If you need help speccing your FN2 Honda Civic or an EP3 or anything Honda related, give us a shout. But if you do need help, then pick up the phone, give us a call, or drop us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or the likes. The kids love TikTok these days. I see a lot of people commenting on our videos of flaming Hondas. But yeah, do get in touch. We'd love to help you from the beginning. So when you're deciding that you've got a stock car and you wanna start tuning it, what parts to go for, we'd love to be involved. So that's all free advice. So come and get it, eat it up, and we'll get you the result that you want. But in the meantime, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
Indeed.
We will, indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.